Hello friends, welcome to Technical and Programming AK. In this video, I will show Pharmacy Management System project in C#.NET with database and with source code. So first of all, open this project file in Visual Studio 2015. So run this solution file and open in Visual Studio. So this file is opened in Visual Studio. So first file is a class file, app config file, class file, and this is the resources file. In the resources file, all the images is stored in this resources file. Then the class file, app config file, our application config is here in this application config, and this is the data string, connection string of our database path is here. Okay, so then this is the our database file db1.mdb. okay, this is the our database file. So refresh this database file, then go to tables option. In table of option there are multiple tables is here. So first table is the login. This is the login table design. This is the login table design. All this design database is designed in Microsoft Access. This is our database file. This is the access file. This is the login form design. The ID and password is here. Then mcat, this is the item name. Then third, fourth, employee details is here. Item details, party details, transaction details, purchase. This is the purchase details. In purchase details, item code, item name, quantity and date is here. Then the sales form is here. In the sales transaction, this is our database design. This is our database design. Okay, so then I close this file. Close this Server Explorer. Then the next file is the db1 dataset. This is our datasets: login dataset, sales dataset, purchase dataset, and the sales and sales transaction datasets. This is our datasets file. Then the next form is the purchase details form. This is the purchase details form. In the purchase details form, this is the data grid view, and this is the title of our application. Then the next form is the sales form. This is the sales details. Store the sales details in this data grid view. This is the sales form. The next form is the stock form. This is the stock details form. In the stock details form, this is the data grid view, and storing the all stock details in this data grid view. Then the next form is the form company info form. In this company info, customer ID, name, address is here, contact number, save, delete, update and clear option is here. This is the our CRUD operation is here: save, delete, update and clear. And this is the group box. In the group box, customer ID, name, address and contact number. This is our fields. Then the next form is the form login. This is the login form. In this login form, user ID, password, OK and cancel button is here. Type your user ID here and type your password here, and then click on OK. Then you automatically redirects on our main page, and our main page is the MDI parent page. This is our main master page. In this master page, when you log in this application, then redirects to main form. And the next form is the form party. This is the party info. This is the party info. In the party info form, customer ID, name, address, contact number, save, delete, update and clear option is here. This is our CRUD operation details. Okay, this is the party info form. Then the next form is the change password. In the change password form, username, old password and new password, and then click on save and click on OK option. This is our change password form. Then the next form is the purchase details form. In the purchase details form, there are multiple fields. In these fields, details, invoice date, invoice number, company, medicine, name, type, batch, expiry date, manufacture date, quantity, RPP, discount, VAT, result, total amount, total tax, save, exit, stack in hand, add, cut, delete, and this is the data grid view. In this data grid view, all the fields save in the data grid. And this is our purchase form detail. In the purchase form, all the information redirects into this data grid view. This is our main form of our purchase model. This is our purchase form. In the next form is the sales. This is the sales details form. In the sales details form, for sale, party ID, medicine, company name, category, batch, manufacture date, expiry date, price, stock, quantity, discount, total amount, total tax, invoice date, invoice number, save, print and exit option is here. And this is the data grid view. In this data grid view, your data is saved in this data grid view, and this is the your medicine selling form, and this is the main form of our project. Then the next form is the main form, main MDI pattern form. In the MDI form, pharmacy management system project, when you type your username and password and click on OK button, and you redirect on MDI parent. In the MDI parent, there are multiple options here. This is the menu strip. In the menu strip, first option is the file. In the file option, change password, add medicine, add party, add customer and exit option is here. Okay, then the next form is the details form. In the details form, stock details, purchase details, sales details is here. Then the next form is the tools. In the tools form, purchase, sales option is here. Then the next form is the purchase report section. In the report section, purchase report, sales report is here. And then the search. In the search, company, medicine, party is here. And the next form is the medicine item master. In the item master form, code, name, type, company and save and clear option is here. Then the next is the repo. In the repo, this is the select box, and this is our selection date, start date and end date. And the next form is the search. Enter your company name and search the company and search all the company details here. Then the next form is the search medicine. This is the medicine, search the medicine and you automatically change the data of medicine. And this is the searching party name. This is the searching party name form, and this is the all the category of our project. So this is our application and this is our project design. So I hope you like this project and like this video, and if you new on my channel Technical and Programming AK, subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon for new videos, notification of new videos. So thanks for watching this video. Bye friends, thank you so much.